How to deactivate your account on Facebook is very simple and easy. Just let me show you how to do that. So first I need to open up Facebook app. Here I need to tap on menu, next settings and privacy, then settings, and here at the very top I see personal and account information feature. Then I need account ownership and control. And here I see this feature deactivation and deletion. Here I can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete my account. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can deactivate your account. But if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, you can delete your account. If you select the first option, your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, but you will be able to continue using Messenger. To deactivate your account, just tap here at the Continue to Account Deactivation button. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and see you next time.